Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on your name. So then come to your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here and you click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just waiting to open video here, so it's going to take a time. And you click here on advertising data here. So then come to this list, you click here on locations here, and you come here to your postal code and city location data. Clicking this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.